everybody, Market Monday, and today we're here to discuss a very important topic in the real estate industry, and that is inventory. If you've tried to buy your next property in the past year, you very much understand the frustrations this has brought. Whether that's getting to an open house and seeing a line down the corner, whether that's getting into multiple offers and getting into a little bit of a bidding war, all the way to maybe looking into a different suburb that you really weren't focused on when you started out your home search. But today I want to talk about 3 different areas where experts say there could be an influx of inventory as we head into the very busy spring and summer months. One is home buyers who haven't sold in 2020. Now the reason behind that can be pretty vast, all the way from financial insecurities, all the way to the pandemic itself. We're going to go over finances here in a few minutes, but the pandemic effect was vast. Sellers just didn't feel comfortable having buyers in their homes. But now with the vaccine, along with realtors like myself being able to properly prepare and execute a safe open house with masks, gloves, along with plenty of hand sanitizer, sellers are really more willing to open up their doors. Secondly is new construction homes. 2020 was a great year for new construction. 2021 experts are saying can be even better, with experts saying that single family homes can exceed new construction of over 1 million new homes being built. That hasn't been done since the Great Depression. I mean, we're talking about big figures and a little bit of inventory flux that everybody needs here. Lastly, it's people that were directly affected financially, getting into that foreclosure stage. But now, experts don't see a big spike in foreclosures as the forbearance options are allowing sellers to have some time to be able to sell their home, and now with the price increases that they have gotten on their home, can sell and have a little bit of a profit to be able to move on. So all in all, if you or anybody that you know are interested to learn more about the market, or just simply want to learn how to get started, please give us a call.